Hey everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show some easy steps on how to upgrade Clash Royale King Tower. So let's get started. First things first, to upgrade a King Tower, you need to level up your King level. The higher your King level, the stronger your King and Princess Towers become, which will give you more health and damage. So how do you level up? You need XP to level up, and here are the best ways to get it. Upgraded cards. This gives the most XP that is required to level up. Upgraded cards, go to your card collection. Then click on the card that has green line. This green line means that the card can be upgraded. Tap on the upgrade button. Again tap on the upgrade button to confirm. Donate the cards to your clanmates. When you donate card to your clanmates, it will give you XP in return. Go to your clan. Look for card requests from your clanmates. Tap the donate button next to any card that you can share. Complete quests and challenges. Some of the quests and challenges rewards you with bonus XP. And if you have passed Royale, keep an eye out for special XP rewards there too. And that's how you can upgrade Clash Royale King Tower.